How to change language on Discord mobile. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change the language of your Discord mobile. First go to Discord and then click here in your profile, and now you need to find language, click on it, and now you can change language to anything you want, like as you see the language has been changed. And if you want to change it back to English, just click on this icon and then English. And that's today's video. Please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.